Alright guys, so we got a lot of questions on question 12, and this will actually help you with 12, 13, and 14 of that Canvas quiz from 2 nights ago, technically. Write the equation of a line with a x-intercept of 4 and a y-intercept of 2, okay? So you look at that and you're like, okay, we've never learned this. We have, it's review kind of, because it's actually going back to writing equations in this form. Remember, we need an m, which was always step 1, and we need a b, which was step 2, right? So if I'm kind of going from here, step 1 is find slope, which is m. Now it's just kind of in a format of different. We're used to looking at 2 points, or looking at a table and picking 2 points. So now our 2 points are just actually given to us in a little bit of a different way. So look, an x-intercept of 4 could be written as 4, 0, right? We learned that yesterday. A y-intercept of 2, well, my x is 0, my y is 2. That's just your 2 points to find your slope. So you come over here, you do m equals, and then subtract your y's, and subtract your x's over -4. And then reduce. So my actual slope is -1/2. Okay, so there's your m for your equation. Remember, step 2 was find your y-intercept, right? But the cool thing about this format with how they gave you the 2 points was one of them was your y-intercept. So find b, you already know b. It's given to you in your original problem. b equals 2. There's your other part. So then there's your equation. Y equals, plug in your slope. So you actually don't have to do all the math that you will have to do in 13 and 14, where you actually will have to plug in a point and find b and everything like this. B was given to you, you just had to go find your slope. So when you come over here, -1/2 x plus 2 was my equation. Okay. Now this is just adding in the layer from yesterday, transforming my y equals -1/2 x plus 2 into standard form. Remember, standard form hates fractions, so get rid of the fractions. I'm going to multiply everything by the denominator. So that's gone. That's gone. I'm left with 2y equals -1x plus 4. Remember, x and y also have to be on the same side. So move your x on over. Those go away. I'm left with 4 over here. And remember, standard form calls for x first. So you'd have 1x plus 2y equals 4. And that's standard form. So this was review, just in a different type of a format. This is from yesterday's learning. So it'd be 1x plus 2y equals 4. Okay. Hopefully that helps with number 12. And 13 and 14 are review as well. So actually going through this process. Step 1, find slope. Step 2, find b. You just might have to plug in a point. Okay? See you tomorrow.